To begin analyzing 2D technical drawings, first log into the 3Your Mind software and navigate to the AM Part Identifier panel, also known as AMPI. Once you're there, analyze a new part drawing by clicking the Add New Part button. It's important to note that before you can begin analyzing 2D drawings, you will need to ensure that your data collection forms are formatted to support this feature. For help on this, contact support@3yourmind.com. If your form is already formatted for technical drawing analysis, or 2D drawings, select the coinciding part type to begin inputting information. In this case, we'll select Spare Part. When you are directed to the form page, you will see many optional inputs. You can proceed to upload your technical drawing, where you will receive a high-level cost overview and technical checks. However, if you'd like to get the most accurate savings calculations, you can input information under the economics section, such as original part price, original lead time, and annual demand quantity. Including this information enables you to compare unit costs using additive manufacturing versus conventional manufacturing methods. Once you finish inputting economics information, scroll to the bottom box labeled 2D Technical Drawing. Here, you can upload your technical drawing, which supports several common file types. When you're ready to analyze your part, click Create. Please note that analyzing your drawing can take up to 10 minutes based on drawing complexity and computational resources available. However, most drawings are analyzed in less than a minute. Once a technical drawing is analyzed, you will be directed to the part page. If your technical drawing includes a part name, you'll see that it's automatically populated in the part page. From this view, you will also see the report overview. If you included economic information, you will have an overview of the part's total savings potential, including total cost of manufacturing, stock avoidance, downtime avoidance, lead time reduction, and total savings per unit and per year. By navigating to the Part Details tab, you'll see that the information has been populated via the part drawing, including part dimensions, material, and material class. Please note, if our material database does not recognize the part's material, you can select Edit Part from the Part panel and manually add the material information in the Other Material field. If you'd like to bulk analyze multiple drawings at once, you can navigate back to the AMPI homepage and select Import from the left navigation tab to upload a CSV file with your part data. Your technical drawing analysis is now complete. You can use this information to prioritize which existing parts present the strongest business cases for on-demand manufacturing. If you have questions or would like more information, visit www.3yourmind.com/contact or click on the link at the end of the video.